Hey everyone, it's Brown Skin Babe, and today I'm going to be doing a video on this hair that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to show you guys how I styled it, how I installed it, and how I like it. So stay tuned.
I know you're more than guys. They've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one, I wanna be with you.
Okay, so I started off by using the bald cap method. That way protects my edges and my hair. So I use bold hold in order to secure my wig down, and I'm just smoothing it out, and then after that I just blow dry it on cool air and let it sit there until it turns clear. So this hair is from JAJAhair. It was, when I received it, it was 14 inches frontal lace wig. I did end up cutting it just a little bit because I thought it was a little bit too long for a bob. But yeah, it is a frontal lace wig. It's really soft. I plucked it a little bit, but you didn't really have to do too much to it because the hairline wasn't too dense, and also the hair is really full bob, and I really enjoy that about it. So after I make sure that my wig is secured, I do start parting it to figure out which side I want it on and to figure out what side I want my swoop to go on. This is very important because I don't want it to be too thick, or I don't want it to be also too thin. I just want to make sure that I'm able to swoop it and it lays flat as well. So I'm just going with my comb, making sure that my part is clean, and then also I have enough hair to swoop it as well. Okay, so right here, this is where I take my wax stick. This helps to make sure that the hair stays flat, also gets rid of strayaways or flyaways, whatever you want to call them. This is really important part because it does help me kind of mold where I want everything to go. So I make sure I apply the wax stick, and then you go in with my brush it down, see how I like it, and then just continue brushing it and molding it. And then after I figure out where I want it to go, I go in with my hot comb. This makes sure that it lays even more flat. I put the hot comb towards my face because that's where I know the hair is gonna go lay flat. It's a little hot, so yeah, make sure you be careful. And then finally, to mold my hair, I go in with Got To Be glue. This makes sure it just holds and stays the way that I want it to. And then after I'm done with that, I just put it behind my ear. You can use a bobby pin to secure it and make sure it stays. I just simply put it behind my ear and it stays there for me. But yeah, if you just want it more secured, I would recommend using a bobby pin for that. And then here I just go in with a little bit of mousse to lay down some baby hairs. Just mold them how I want them to. I'm not doing anything too crazy. Just want to make sure that they stay laid.